Hey there, fellow investors. Welcome to this quick guide on how to sell a stop limit order in Wells Fargo for 2025. If you're looking to protect your portfolio from sudden market drops while maintaining control over your selling price, you're in the right place. I'm excited to walk you through this step by step, so let's dive right in. First things first, what's a stop limit order? It's a powerful tool that combines a stop order, which activates when a stock reaches a certain price, and a limit order, which ensures the sale happens at your specified price or better. For example, if you own shares of a stock trading at $50, you might set a stop price at $45 and a limit price at $44.50 to avoid selling too low if the market tanks. Now, let's get into the how-to in Wells Fargo's updated 2025 platform, which has made trading even more user-friendly. Start by logging into your Wells Fargo account on their website or mobile app. Once you're in, navigate to the Investing or Trade section. Look for the tab that says Accounts and select your brokerage account. Next, search for the stock you want to sell. Type in the ticker symbol in the search bar, and when it appears, click on it to view the details. Now, hit the Trade or Order button. From the Order Type drop-down menu, select Sell Stop Limit. This is key. Make sure you choose the right one, as Wells Fargo offers various options. Enter your details. Set the stop price, the price that triggers the order, and the limit price, the minimum price you're willing to accept. Don't forget to specify the number of shares and any other preferences, like the order duration. Maybe set it to Good till Cancelled for flexibility. Double-check everything to avoid mistakes, then review your order summary and hit Submit. One big advantage of using a stop limit order is that it helps manage risk without guaranteeing execution, which can be a double-edged sword. Always monitor the market, as rapid price changes might mean your order doesn't fill. For 2025, Wells Fargo has added real-time alerts, so enable notifications to stay on top of things. There you have it. That's how to sell a stop limit order in Wells Fargo. This strategy can be a game changer for your trading routine. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and let me know in the comments if you have questions. Happy trading, and see you next time.